Ever wondered how much easier roadside repairs could be if you never had to manually pump a jack again? Imagine swapping tires in under a minute without breaking a sweat or juggling multiple tools. Sounds like a dream, right? Today, we're diving into the best electric car jacks of 2026, exploring 6 all-in-one kits that promise to make lifting, tire inflating, and lug nut removal effortless. From emergency roadside tools to full garage companions, each one has its strengths and quirks, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which jack suits your car and lifestyle. All the links are in the description, so you can check them out while following along. Let's kick things off. On number 6, the VEVOR electric car jack is designed to be the ultimate all-in-one roadside and garage tool, combining a 12-volt hydraulic jack capable of lifting up to 5 tons, 11,023 pounds, with an integrated impact wrench, tire inflator, and LED working light. Its lifting range of 6.1 inches to 17.7 inches makes it suitable for most sedans, SUVs, and light trucks, and the automatic stop at maximum height ensures safety during operation. Plugged into the car's cigarette lighter or directly into the battery, its 13-foot power cord offers flexible placement whether you're lifting from the front or rear wheels. What really sets VEVOR apart is its high-torque electric impact wrench, rated at around 450 Newton meters with multiple socket sizes, drastically speeding up lug nut removal, while the built-in inflator pump with a pressure gauge allows quick fixes for flat tires without extra equipment. The sturdy steel construction and upgraded hydraulic seals make it surprisingly resilient for a value-priced tool, though some users have reported occasional impact wrench malfunctions or inconsistent pump performance. Compared with other electric jacks like BENYAN or E-HEELP, VEVOR stands out for its multifunctionality and practicality, offering a do-it-all solution at a more affordable price, though premium brands may deliver slightly better long-term durability and support. Overall, for drivers seeking convenience and versatility without spending a fortune, this jack performs admirably, especially for emergency and DIY use. Pros: 5-ton lift with auto cutoff, built-in inflator plus LED plus wrench, portable and easy to use. Cons: mixed quality control, some component issues, not as durable as premium options. What do you think about its all-in-one approach? Let me know in the comments. On number 5, next up, the BENYAN Electric Car Jack Kit delivers a similar 5-ton lifting capacity with a 12-volt hydraulic system, but it emphasizes user-friendliness and compact organization. Its lifting range of 6 to 17.7 inches covers a wide spectrum of sedans, SUVs, MPVs, and light trucks, and the auto-stop feature at maximum height ensures safety for all users. Like VEVOR, it includes an integrated impact wrench, LED light, and tire inflator pump, giving you a single tool for multiple tasks and eliminating the need for manual pumping or separate accessories. Many users praise its intuitive button operation and quick lift times, which make roadside tire changes or DIY garage repairs significantly faster, while the organized carry case keeps all components together neatly. That said, occasional quality control inconsistencies, such as slight jerks during lifting or minor drop when fully raised, remind buyers that this isn't a premium-grade professional jack. Compared to E-HEELP or VEVOR, BENYAN often matches their feature set while sometimes offering a slightly lower street price, though long-term durability may lag behind more established brands. In real-life use, the impact wrench speeds up lug nut removal, the air pump handles flat tires, and the LED light is handy for low-light conditions, though very tight bolts can challenge the built-in wrench. Overall, this jack is perfect for everyday drivers, road trippers, and DIYers who want a versatile, budget-friendly tool for emergencies. Pros: all-in-one kit, quick and easy operation, versatile vehicle compatibility. Cons: Wrench may lack torque for stubborn bolts. Occasional quality control issues. Best used on level ground. Which feature would you value most? Speed or versatility? Drop your thoughts below. On number 4, the E-HEELP electric car jack kit focuses on convenience and versatility, offering a 12-volt hydraulic lift with 5-ton capacity, integrated impact wrench, LED lighting, and in some bundles, a built-in air inflator with pressure gauge. Its lifting range of 6.1 to 17.7 inches accommodates SUVs, sedans, MPVs, and light trucks, and the automatic stop at maximum height, along with overload protection, enhances safety for everyday users. Build quality is solid for the price point, and many owners report smooth lifting performance and efficient lug nut removal compared to manual wrenches. The integrated LED light adds real value for nighttime or low-light work, making roadside repairs easier without additional gear. However, like other value-oriented all-in-one kits, E-HEELP experiences some quality control variability. Hydraulic leaks, socket fit issues, or inconsistent wrench power appear in user feedback, highlighting that it's a DIY and emergency use solution rather than professional-grade equipment. Compared to BENYAN and VEVOR, E-HEELP sometimes edges out in terms of integrated features, especially in bundles with inflators, though long-term durability can be inconsistent. For real-world use, it's highly convenient for emergencies and occasional garage work, but jack stands remain essential for safety during undercar operations. Pros: 5-ton lifting, integrated wrench and LED, easy electric operation. Cons: quality control variability. Wrench may struggle on tight bolts, not a professional workshop substitute. Do you value integrated inflators in a jack kit? Let's hear your opinion in the comments. On number 3, the STANDTALL electric car jack kit brings an all-in-one approach with a 12-volt hydraulic jack lifting up to 5 tons, an integrated impact wrench, built-in tire inflator, and LED lighting, supporting SUVs, sedans, and light trucks with a 5.9 to 17.7-inch lift range. Its electric operation allows most users to lift a vehicle in under a minute, dramatically reducing the time and physical effort of tire changes compared with traditional jacks and manual lug wrenches. The cross-groove, non-slip design and wide base improve stability, and the inclusion of accessories like gloves, safety hammer, and a storage case makes it a ready-to-go solution straight out of the box. Users praise its ability to cut down roadside repair times, but reliability can be mixed. Some units experience impact wrench malfunctions, connector issues, or inconsistent tire inflation. Compared to BENYAN, VEVOR, and E-HEELP, STANDTALL generally matches or exceeds features, especially in accessory completeness, though build consistency can vary. For everyday drivers, DIYers, and travelers, it represents a convenient and versatile value proposition without requiring professional equipment. Pros: strong 5-ton lift with auto stop, integrated wrench and inflator, easy electric operation. Cons: mixed reliability, impact wrench performance may vary, adapter compatibility may require extra parts. Which of these accessories would you never want to leave home without? Share your thoughts below. On number 2, the Trihelper electric car jack set is another multifunctional 12-volt hydraulic kit capable of lifting 5 tons, approximately 11,000 pounds, and raising most sedans, SUVs, and light trucks up to 17.7 inches within 1 to 2 minutes. It combines an electric impact wrench, tire inflator pump, and LED lighting into one compact kit, with safety features like a self-locking structure, internal circuit breaker, and automatic stop at max height. Real-world users highlight the convenience of removing lug nuts quickly, inflating tires without separate equipment, and performing nighttime roadside operations with the LED light. Some buyers report mixed quality control, including minor hydraulic leaks or connector issues, and the impact wrench may struggle with very stubborn bolts, reflecting that this kit is designed for emergency and DIY use rather than heavy-duty professional applications. Compared with similar kits like VEVOR, BENYAN, and E-HEELP, Trihelper holds its own in feature set and safety, making it a solid choice for everyday car owners and travelers seeking a practical, budget-friendly solution. Pros: 5-ton lift with safety features, integrated impact wrench and inflator. LED light adds convenience. Cons: mixed quality control, occasional reliability issues. Wrench may lack power for very tight bolts. Would you use this as your main garage jack or keep it for emergencies? Let me know below. On number 1, finally, the ROGTZ electric hydraulic car jack kit takes center stage with a 12-volt lift capable of raising up to 5 tons, approximately 11,000 pounds, to a maximum height of 17.7 inches in about 60 seconds, combining a jack, impact wrench, tire inflator, and LED light in a single portable package. Its auto lift and automatic stop simplify operation, while the heavy-duty steel construction and widened base improve stability during lifts. Users frequently praise the convenience of ditching manual pumping, quick lug nut removal with the integrated wrench, and efficient tire inflation, making it ideal for roadside repairs or basic garage work. However, reliability can vary. Some owners report units malfunctioning or missing accessories like carrying cases, and customer support may be limited. Compared to competitors such as VEVOR and E-HEELP, ROGTZ often matches features and may feel slightly more complete in terms of tools and build, though long-term dependability can be inconsistent. Overall, it's a versatile, value-packed choice for everyday drivers, DIY mechanics, and travelers who want speed, convenience, and multifunctionality without investing in workshop-grade gear. Pros: 5-ton lift with automatic stop, integrated inflator and LED light. Impact wrench speeds up tire changes. Cons: mixed durability. Some units lack accessories. Limited customer support. Between all these kits, which one would you pick for your car? Drop your choice in the comments. So there you have it, the 6 best electric car jacks of 2026, each offering a unique combination of lifting power, integrated tools, and convenience. Whether you prioritize speed, versatility, or value for money, there's an option here for every driver and DIYer. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more gear reviews. All the links are in the description so you can check out these jacks and find the perfect fit for your car.